Hi guys, in front of me is NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So if your device is stuck for some unknown reason and you cannot use it anyhow, all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button, so just tap and hold them together. Keep holding. Once you feel a smooth vibration, you can remove both fingers and just wait till your phone is rebooted. Then you will be able to use it again. Okay, so actually we need to tap on power key again. Okay, and now give it a couple of seconds to reboot. Enter your unlock pattern, PIN code or the password, and that's it. Now you can use your device easily again. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.